Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Tuesday, January 28th, 2025. Let's take a look at the charts. Big picture. If tested, either one of these 2 points on the far right, 342.81 long-term support and 505.30 long-term resistance, well suited to contain monthly, possibly quarterly activity. The question begs, which of these might we see before the other? And the answer has been, for the last few weeks, closing below 395.59. This now 3-4 week rising channel bottom would set up 342.81 as a 1 to 3 week target, depending on volatility. Until then, 395.59 can contain weekly selling pressures, and above which your 1 to 2 week upside objective is now 446.77. Based on channel dynamics and rotational highs and lows, I'd like to call this 3 to 5 days. It is certainly possible if we can close today, for instance, above 413.78. So this shows the day trade, buying 395.59, selling 413.78. I think you can even sell short 413.78 in anticipation of possible rotation back to 395.59 within a full day of activity by the end of tomorrow, let's say. If we close above 413.78, and it is considered an eventuality, holding above 395.59, I am expecting a 1 to 2 week rally to what is now 446.77 and rising gradually. So 413.78 is our aggressive upside pivot point. Sorry for that. Is our aggressive upside pivot point through the rest of the week. If we close above 413.78, that is your 3 to 5 day buy signal. That could be within 1 to 3 days, depending on volatility. Then anticipating 446.77, where we could top out through next week, and from there perhaps fall away to 395.59 over the following 1 to 2 weeks. So this is our kind of our 1 to 2 week swing trade right now, above 395.59, expecting 446.77, and vice versa. Downside today, if we happen to, break this or open below 395.59 level, I do see 380.24 as a quick intraday target. This descending channel bottom able to contain able to contain selling on an intraday, possibly daily basis. We could come off of this back into the 390s if we can close back above, 395.59, then we're still in reach of 446.77 over the next couple of weeks. But if we do close today below 395.59, that sets up a 1 to 3 week target, depending on volatility, for 342.81. On the way down, once again, I have 380.24 as an intraday objective. If we break 380.24, expect that low from, was that late December or early January? I can't remember, but it's 373.04. And yes, we could bottom out there for the day, but that's as much as I would expect. Once again, closing below 395.59, I see no good reason to be long Tesla as we move through the rest of January and into early February. I would anticipate within 1 to 3 weeks, let's just call it a 2 to 3 week sell signal, into this, what is now a range between 331.95 and 342.81. Breaking 342.81 certainly allows 331.95 on an intraday basis. But as we continue, this is actually going to kind of spread apart, diverge. 331.95 will remain relevant, but it won't have that sort of combined with 342.81 long-term support, dynamic. So 342.81 is considered a 2 to 3 week target if we settle today below 395.59. 342.81 is an area where you can take profits on a short position and reverse and go long, regardless of whether you're a 3 to 5 day, 3 to 5 week, or 3 to 5 month position trader, because over the following 3 to 5 months, we can round our way up to 505.30. Let's cover the upside once again. Closing above 413.78 today indicates a good weekly low within 3 to 5 days, 446.77, where we could top out through next week, and from there perhaps fall back to the 395.59 channel bottom. If we can close above the 446.77 channel top over the next couple of weeks, then I have a buy signal over the following 2 to 3 weeks, up to 505.30, that 5-year channel top, able to contain buying into possibly through the second quarter, and from there we can fall away nicely in the weeks and even months to follow. So, I see no good reason right now to be short Tesla, holding above 395.59. And if we close today above 413.78, I certainly don't see that. You need to reverse and go long, especially you 3 to 5 day swing traders. 3 to 5 day swing traders can buy 395.59 anyway, but I do think we'll see 413.78 pretty soon, possibly today. So this is kind of a day trade setup. Closing above 413.78 is a reversal signal, going long up to 446.77 within a matter of days, 2 to 3 days, where we could top out through next week. Anything I say beyond what I've already have would be repetitious. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. Take advantage of our 5-day free trial. We offer daily triple Q, daily SPY analysis, weekly Apple stock. My gosh, we've been nailing that Apple stock analysis. I don't know if you've been following it. If you're a subscriber to wickedstocks.com, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And also weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100, and 2 stock picks a week that you never see on YouTube. Cater to the 3 to 5 day up to the 3 to 5 month position trader, always looking for 20% moves at least on all of our stock picks, and they're always relevant. They're always close to significant turning points in the market. I'm going to leave it at that. Please click like, share, subscribe. I'll be back tomorrow, of course, with Wednesday's Tesla. You have a great day.